Aloha crafty friends, shakas, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with another quick share of some cards that I was inspired by Stephanie Bernard from the Stamps of Life. I do get a kit from them monthly. It is a gold club kit, which just means I get the stamp, the matching dies, and then a box of other accessories that goes along with the stamp and die. I also, these type of cards come in with the kit. That is where I got the inspiration. If I didn't copy it, I did something similar to it. And then also on their website they have a gallery at thestampsoflife.com. So here we go. I did these are supposed to be stand-up cards, but I actually did them like this. I don't know why. Cause I liked it like that. So this is one of them. I'm gonna go through them pretty quickly. A lot of them I did the, I don't know, fold out. I don't know what the heck this is, but it is a thing. But how cute is this llama? So this is the stamp set that came in the kit, as well as the paper for the paper pad and the die cuts. So this is actually a print in the paper pad, and the die cut is able to cut this out for you, so you don't have to fussy cut it. Thank you very much, Mary. Okay, so here's another one. You're a llama fun, and I miss you so much I could spit. So this is a stand-up card. This is how they're supposed to be, but I just folded them a different way. Here's another. So a lot of them is just the same because I was trying to use up a strip of paper, and so I just stamped the same stamp over and over, and then I started cutting these out. Like, I was like, wait, I only needed a couple of them, but since I cut them all out, I had to use them. These flowers are from AliExpress. They are not from Stamps of Life. And neither is this red rhinestone. There. Here's another one. So let me see. This one was my inspiration for this. And then this one was the inspiration for this one. That's mine. And then the rest I got off the gallery. Like this one, I believe I got off the gallery. And it just says incredible. This one has a belly band. And it just says congratulations on the, let the adventures begin. And you just can write your little note on the inside. And then this one says thanks so much. And these were from a past kit. This kit is actually November 2018. So yay for me for using up my stuff. Because I'm trying to use it up so I don't have it around. Like, here's another one with a band. And this one I got off of the gallery as well. And that's some of the twine that came in the kit. And then it just opens so you can write your... And then this one, it's plain, and I might add a sentiment later to the cover, but for right now, this is what I'm doing. So those are the ones that I've made for November 2018's card kit. If you have questions, go ahead and leave them below. Otherwise, shakas to the next video.